Temperate evergreen forests. Children, temperate evergreen forests are found in the warm temperate areas along the eastern margins of the continents. The main areas are South China, southeastern USA, southeastern Brazil, east coast of South Africa, and eastern Australia. Children, these forests are the mixed forests of hard and softwood trees. The lowland generally have mixed forest of coniferous and deciduous varieties, while the highlands have only coniferous trees. The forests are dense and the timber is valuable. The main trees found over here are oak, pine, wattle, eucalyptus, walnut, and camphor. Temperate deciduous forests. These forests are found in coastal regions having a cool temperate climate and moderate rainfall. So, usually we find these forests experience temperatures that range between minus 30 degree and 30 degrees Celsius throughout the year. And even they receive rainfall between 75 and 150 centimeter. Children, the main forested areas are in Western Europe, Northeastern China, South Korea, Japan, Northeastern USA, Southern Chile, and New Zealand. The trees over here are generally have thick trunks and broad leaves. The trees are mostly deciduous. They shed their leaves in the autumn season and remain leafless throughout the winter season. And during the spring season, new leaves sprout. There is a rapid growth of these trees during the summer season. The main commercial trees species found in the temperate deciduous forests are oak, ash, beech, elm, poplar, cedar, redwood, maple, fir, etc. Now, due to favorable climatic conditions for producing crops and a rapid growth of population, these forests have been extensively cleared to provide land for agriculture and industry. The types of wild animals found here are deer, foxes, wolves, pheasants, monals, etc. Now, let's talk about the fifth type of forest, Mediterranean forest. Children, these forests are found around the Mediterranean Sea. These forests are also found on the western margins of the continents in the temperate region in both the hemispheres. The main areas are around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa, and Asia. Other areas outside the Mediterranean regions are California, Central Chile, Southwest Africa, and Southwest Australia. In the Mediterranean region, there is a moderate rainfall of about 80 centimeter during the winter season. The summer season is dry. The trees are widely spaced. Most of them have broad leaves, long roots, and a thick bark. Now, such trees can withstand the dry summer conditions without shedding their leaves. And the trees are not very tall and have shrubs in between them. The important trees which found in the Mediterranean forests are oak, olive, fig, pine, fir, cedar, and cypress. Nuts, olive oil, and citrus fruits are the main products from these forests. And you know, children, these forests are also known as the orchards of the world. Not only that, The main citrus fruits which are produced in these regions include oranges, figs, olives, grapes, peaches, and plums. In recent years, the natural vegetation has largely been removed to provide land for agriculture and fruit farming. There is hardly any wildlife found in this region. And the last type of forest is, yes, coniferous forests. Children, these forests are also known as taiga or boreal forests. These forests are found in a broad belt lying between 50° north and 70° north and in regions of high altitude. This belt is found around the North Polar region. The main areas are Alaska, southern Canada, the Scandinavian countries, and northern Russia. The plant growth in these forests is slow due to very cold winters and short cool summers. The coniferous trees are tall, straight, evergreen with narrow needle-like leaves, and most of the trees have soft wood and are light in weight. There is no undergrowth. The trees grow in pure stands. The main type of trees found are spruce, pine, fir, larch, cedar, and hemlock. These forests are of great commercial value. Lumbering is done on large scale. The softwood of the coniferous forests is widely used to make pulp, paper, furniture, matchsticks, plywood, doors, sports goods, and toys. Children, common animals found in these regions are silver fox, mink, and polar bear. So children, that's all about the types of forest in the world.